Okay, so now I'm going to show you all of the features here in the ribbon. This is called the ribbon. All right, so first of all, when you click on an email, you're going to notice that all of these become clickable. This is obviously trash, but there is an option to ignore. Ignore basically will send the email in particular that you're on to the deleted folder, as well as future emails from that thread. And you can always recover these in the deleted folder over here. Okay, the next thing is archive. Honestly, I would just leave that alone. This is where you can report any scam emails or any junk emails. Please always report that to our tech office as well. This is for Sweep. I go over that in a different part of the video. This is for folders. If you would like to organize your emails with folders and move emails from your inbox into these organized folders, you can do that. These are your standard reply and forward options here. This is your standard mark read or unread. This is the categorize option I go over in a different part of the video. This is marking an email as flagged. So this is kind of two things. This is really meant for follow-up. It's kind of like a star in Gmail. However, you can mark when you want to follow up on this email. So whether you want to follow up on it today or tomorrow, obviously you would set that, and then you see that flag gets enabled there. Pin means that you are going to make that email stick at the very top of your inbox. So usually this is something that may be important, or that you want to reference multiple times or be reminded about. That's super important. This is snooze. So this was also something that we had in Gmail, where if you get an email and you need to act on it, but you want a reminder, this is kind of where you set that reminder. This is where you can assign a rule for it to delete the email after a certain amount of time. I would leave this alone. Here, if you're particularly tech savvy, you can get add-ons for Outlook, which is pretty cool. Here are more options. You can block the sender of this particular email. You can set a rule with this particular email. I would leave the rest of these alone. All right, and then up here, you can create a Teams call directly from Outlook. You can start a Teams chat directly from Outlook. This will just open up the Teams online right here for you. Same thing with OneNote. And then this is really cool. This is your to-do list. And I'm going to show you how you can use this in a really effective way. So obviously, I have a missing punch. Oops, I'm so sorry, Val. So I obviously need to act on this. So let's say I can't get to it right now, but I want to put it on my to-do list. I'm just going to right click on that email, and I'm going to scroll down to advanced actions, and I'm going to click create task. And it's going to push that email over here onto my to-do list. So let's say I go back to my to-do list and I click on that. It's going to take me to that email so that I can resolve that to-do item, and when I'm done, I simply mark it as completed, and it takes it off of my to-do list. So I think that's pretty handy. And that's pretty much all of the main features here in this ribbon area.